Item 3, confirmation of minutes 3.1 of the Ordinary Council meeting on the 31st of October 2019. Just any clarification or any correctness need to be adjusted on those minutes, please. Councillor Westerman.
Are the meetings recorded?
Yes, they are. Yes. They're live streamed.
Oh, that's good, because I just had a query regarding the resolution. I've just got a couple of bullet points here.
Yes.
And I was confused on the resolution that you put forward regarding the Deputy Mayor's position,
Right.
because I thought you put it to the vote, and I didn't think that had to go to the vote, and then I didn't think it was actually put forward to the councillors to vote on after Councillor Williamson spoke.
Sure. Okay. It's an appointment, so I'll just call on Mr. Jakes, Democracy Manager. What?
So
it was actually moved, wasn't it? Seconded.
Yes, it was, and it was really just noting the appointment rather than approving the appointment. So it was just noting that.
So in hindsight, probably I didn't need to move it. It was just a recording of it.
Yes, I couldn't remember going it to the vote. It was just the process.
Yeah, sure. Cool.
And also the last one was, yes, I thought that the Mayor called for a vote, and I thought it was his ability just to commit to the Deputy Mayor.
Yeah.
So the Mayor can just appoint,
Yeah.
but I guess, I mean, we might need to go back and have a look at I wasn't at the meeting, obviously, but it's just whether or not it actually was put to the vote, because looking at this, there was a mover, His Worship, and seconded by Councillor
Yes.
Taylor.
And I think Councillor Westerman is correct.
I don't think
Then didn't go to the vote.
Yeah, didn't
So
go
it
to
probably
the
shouldn't be recorded as a TDC.
Yeah, it should be
resolution.
just a noted. Yeah. So whether we need to, can we adjust that?
Mr. Chairman, could I just support
Councillor Body?
Could I just support Councillor Westerman? Do we have to move a resolution to take that word carried out, or is it just by consensus? Because it's wrong. It didn't go to the vote because there was no need to.
Yeah.
I think just to clarify, the voting wasn't on the position. It was just noting the appointment, which was moved and seconded at the meeting.
I fully respect Mrs. Jake's comments to the degree when a resolution has carried, it means it's been to a vote. And if we look at the standing orders we're about to adopt, what Councillor Westerman is saying is correct. It certainly didn't go to vote, and it certainly wasn't carried.
Okay. I think we note that there was no vote taken. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, Shane. Yeah, there could be. Is it the will of the council to amend that? Okay. Cool. Thank you very much.
Oh, that's
Who
good. That's really yeah. No,
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Councillor Westman, did you have something else? Or? Okay. Yeah. Cool. Councillor Williamson.
No, I think we all understood it was a mayoral appointment. I do take the point, obviously, as a resolution, perhaps with the resolution appropriate in the agenda should be removed.
Yep. We'll just change that. Yeah. Cool. Right. All right. Any other points of clarification on those minutes? Correctness. Okay. Could I have a mover, please, to those minutes? Amended minutes be moved. Thank you, Councillor Guy. Seconded by Councillor Body. All those in favour, please say aye. Those against, carried.